everybody's eating now. Everyone gets a chance to partake. That's them turkey necks. Look at that. Oh, it ain't falling off the bone.
So the 2024 Oxtail Cook-Off winner is...
Okay, y'all, there's a lot going on right now. We were supposed to start eating oxtails at 6 o'clock. It's about 7 o'clock, and everybody is eating, and they're getting snacks, and they got macaroni and cheese. Javier, you're a judge too?
I am.
Okay, that's another judge over there, y'all.
So Javier, Matt is YouTuber, food critic YouTuber. Javier is a chef at.
Oh, you a chef?
He's a chef.
Oh yeah.
So he's on here.
Chef Javier? Okay. So y'all, this is where it's all gonna happen right here. This is going to be the judging table for the oxtails right there. Now we into the kitchen. Hanging out in the kitchen, y'all. Oh, they about to get busy, y'all. Look. You know that tall bottle always that goose.
No. You need to look at those tall bottles over there. Let's come this way. Let's look at these.
Uh-oh, y'all.
We're talking about.
Oh, yeah. Look, I remember.
About.
Oh, y'all. I'm going to be gone by then. By the time they crack those, right? The one with the blood looking like it's down the side. When they crack that one, we out. Are you one of the cooks?
I am one of the cooks. I gotta make sure my makeup.
Where you walking away?
No! I am one of the cooks. Somebody that has previously won.
Okay, all right. You previously won, okay.
Yeah, and we have.
How long ago was that?
I won in, what is this, 2024? I won in 2022.
Okay, 2022 winner right there, y'all.
Hi, I'm the reigning champ.
Wait, that's not.
But I did win. What year was that? I think I won twice.
You won twice? Okay.
Probably will win again today. So.
Okay, who are you though?
Oh, my name is Tunu.
Tunu? Okay, this is Tunu. You didn't give your name.
Oh, Rhonda Hobbs.
All right, Rhonda. Who are you?
Oh, I'm Lulu, aka Lulu M Studios on IG. I'm the reigning champ from 2023 Oxtails. Plus, I'll be smoking on that pellet smoker and that rubber kettle all day. Gang, let's go.
Gang. Yo, the judging is about to start. The judges are sitting down. We about to get busy, man. Look, I want some oxtails. They better stop playing. That's the first oxtail right there, y'all. We get a number with this?
That's number
one.
This is number one.
This is oxtail number one.
This is number one right there, y'all. Let's check it out. Let's check it out, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Uh-oh, it ain't falling off the bone. What's this? Is those lima beans in there? Look at them lima beans, y'all. Oh, you got some rice too? Lima beans. Should I trick them, y'all, and taste the lima bean first? I'm gonna use my Carolina forks. I don't need this plastic one. Let's use them Carolinas. Okay. Anytime an oxtail can make you look like you got chapstick, that's a good oxtail. See them lips shining? The judge over here, y'all just licked her fingers. This is what's going on right there. All right, that's what's going on. We're getting ready for number two, y'all. Number two. Uh-oh. Oxtail number two is coming up. Oh, got the lima beans again on that one, y'all. That's oxtail number two. And it's real saucy, or is that juice? It's real juicy. Should I use my Carolina forks again? Let's go for it. Gotta do it like that, man. I don't want the fork to throw the flavor off. Okay, here we go. It's holding up. It's holding up. Came right on. One thing for sure, these cats know how to cook some oxtails, but we're gonna get real deep into it. Okay. All right. Okay. This is the 5th annual oxtail competition. We're here at blah 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 blah, blah street. Huh? This will be the it's 4. Why you whispering? Why the camera lady whispering, y'all? They know somebody picking that camera up. Hold up, y'all. Just what y'all want to see who on camera.
Merry Christmas.
That's right. See all the people backstage here just chilling.
Backstage.
Chilling like villains. We even got rice here, y'all. The rice is to clean that palate. All right, let me put y'all back. We have people that are judging. Judge number 1. I'm judge number 2. That's judge number 3. That's judge number 4.
You know I'm Shoes Magic. What's up?
Here come Oxtail number 3. We get number 3. We're gonna do it with the Carolina forks again. This one's a little thicker.
Gotta get in here.
That one's a little thicker, y'all.
And then we have one more left. It's very serious and tense this year.
None of them are just falling off the bone, but they're still very tender. This one's seasoned very well, y'all. Good seasoning on it. We about to move, y'all. We gonna go deliberate, man. I don't know why that word just reminds me of the OJ trial, but we about to go deliberate. We deliberating. 1 got a 7.9, 2 got a 7, 3 got an 8. And the reason I brought them down lower, because I was expecting the 4th one. I wanted to leave some leeway. But number 3 was the winner out of my decision. Number 1, it is too salty, just killed it for me. You know, I'd rather be able to put salt on. I don't want something to be like, oh, that's too salty, because now it's done. I'm done with it, you know. Number 2, I really enjoyed too, right? But no, I didn't enjoy. This is the one that needed. This is the one that.
Were you there?
This is the one that need more spices, and it wasn't as tender. Also, number 2, and then number 3, which is the winner in my opinion. It was tender. It was seasoned right. It had perfect spice.
Okay. Yes. So, yes, I'm Nikki. This
I'm
is
sorry.
year
Wait.
3.
Wait. Let's back up a little bit because didn't we say that all the judges need to introduce themselves?
We will.
Okay.
I'm Nikki. This is my 3rd year as a Christmas Oxtail Cook-Off judge. I've tasted many good and bad renditions of the oxtail in this competition. So we're just gonna go. Do you want to go from the bottom first?
Yeah, bottom up.
Can we have chef number 2 step forward?
I knew it.
So Lulu, you were our least favorite. The meat was a little tough for me. It wasn't as tender as the other ones. Not a real flavor.
I did say it was
profile.
Tofu, yeah.
My beans were overcooked. No spice, and the gravy was like soupy.
Fair.
I think we were all in agreement that number 2 did not win this year.
It's all good. I'm good.
Yeah.
All day.
So can I have number 1 and number 3?
Number 1 and number 3 to the floor. Number 3. Number 1 and number 3.
Okay. So with number 1, tender, soft. The spice was good.
No. Don't say.
No, the spice was good. I love the lima beans. It was a little salty for most of us. But the smell was really good. The flavor was really good. Number 3, same. We had a big chunk of meat, but it was still tender. It was still well cooked, seasoned well. My gravy was a little oily. It was sitting on top. No lima beans, but overall, these 2, we had to duke it out a little bit. So the 2024 Oxtail Cook-Off winner is And it was not unanimous.
It was hard.
But number 3. Rhonda. But it was very, very close. I will say, wait. So it was a very, very close competition. Number 1 and number 3.
Yes, it was.
I like number 1.
Both great. Number 1 was really good. That was Javier's favorite, number 1.
Well, Javier said,
But
number 1.
Oxtail back. I think it was that one. I was like, oh my God,
But Rhonda, I just want to say I'm so proud of you. Come a long way from the sticky ass oxtail 2 years ago. It was sticky. Yes. So, any judges want to say anything?
Bragging right.
Yeah, I just want to give it up to all the cooks, you know, because it ain't an easy job to really, you know, put it together, you know, to add all the ingredients and spice and make it right. Yeah, put that love. It ain't easy. So I want to big up all the cooks. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it's only to get better and better. That's all it is.
First off, I want to say I'm very honored to be a first-time judge. This is probably a career highlight for me. I want to say that. It was very, very close between 1 and 3. I was rating the oxtails based on kind of 4 categories of salt, fat, acid, and doneness. Everyone's oxtails was cooked pretty perfectly. But yeah, everybody's was just fantastic, and I want to give it up to the cooks because it is a tough job. Yeah.
Okay. I just wanted to say, I think the viscosity of all of the. I said the viscosity of, or is that engine oil? Am I talking about engine oil or oxtails? Number 1, I thought I put here good, spicy, tender, and salty. That was something that's kind of what shook it. It was salty. Number 2, it was kind of bland. You know, it was bland immediately. And then the sauce wasn't thick. It was kind of like it didn't taste vinegary, but that's the only thing I can think of to compare. It was like a vinegary, watery type thickness.
It's okay for that.
You know, number 3, I gave number 3. That was the top one. It was tender. It was seasoned. I put on there perfect. They all were tender, FYI. So I enjoyed all 3 of the oxtails. Thank you very much. Congratulations to the winner. And thanks for welcoming us as a new judge this year.
Okay, so really quickly, we are not done yet. The reason why.
Uh-oh. We're not done yet.
The reason why we did not have a 4th oxtail is because the 4th oxtail was turkey neck. So the chef did prepare the dishes for all of you, but it cannot be, included in the oxtail competition.
He won last time.
Yeah, I won last year with the turkey necks. He won the last time.
He won with the turkey leg.
But major congratulations to Rhonda. She deserved it.
Birthday party.
These look good, y'all. Check it out. Let's check it out. Check it out. We're going to use our Carolina forks again.
It's a turkey neck, y'all.
Very tender. Very tasty. Wait a minute. This is really good. He showed his aspirins making these turkey necks.
These are the turkey neck oxtail style.
Bacon still back there?
It's a flavor on here I'm trying to identify and I can't. It's almost like it's like a hard spice, something like a clove. It's not a clove though. What's that one spice? What's the one spice? It's like a clove, but it ain't. Huh? Pimento seed? That's what I taste, right? Pimento seed. That's a good one. We about to get into this. So my question is, if he would have just said that these was oxtails, would we have known? That one, look. Yeah, on the one. But look, this one you can't, right? Don't it look like an oxtail? That one looks like an oxtail. This one looks like an oxtail. Chef Javier said it tastes like turkey though. Yo, he could trick me with this. He would trick me with this. With this piece, y'all, this tastes like an oxtail. Big up to all the chefs. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. I love all of you cats. Thanks for liking and subscribing, hanging out. And I'll see you at the next one. Peace. All right, I'm done.
Ooh, and that was turkey.
I wasn't expecting that one. It's the bomb. Get some.